Hello friends, I welcome you all in one more knowledgeable interesting video. Today in this video, I'll be talking about a new facility recently started at income tax portal relating to challan correction. What facility is this? This facility is about when you make payment of taxes, of income tax especially, and because of any reason you committed any mistake relating to the assessment year, to the minor head or to the major head, then you still have option to rectify those mistakes now, right? So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can file challan correction on income tax portal. After login to the income tax portal, this screen will appear. You go to the services tab. In the services tab there is one option of challan correction. You need to click on this. After clicking on the challan correction option, here is one tab, create challan correction request. Click on this. Now here are the options. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, and the first step is of selection of attributes for correction in challan. Next step is identification of challan. You need to identify the challan, which challan you need to correct. Next is update details for the correction. You need to now insert at the step number 3. You need to insert the correct details, right? For which you need to make the correction in the challan. And fourth is you need to check, verify, and submit that request. Your challan will be rectified through these steps. Step number 1 to step number 4. But here you need to note down that the challan pertaining to AY 2021 onwards only is available for correction. If you want to get your challans correct for the previous assessment years, then you need to approach your jurisdictional assessing officer. And there are limited functionalities for correction. You can, right now, you can make correction of only 3 types. First is change in the assessment year. Next is change in the major head, and next is change in the minor head, right? So these are the corrections which are allowed. Still, all the major heads to minor heads and minor head, major head corrections are still not yet enabled on the portal, right? Online corrections only for minor head 100, that is for advanced tax, 300 for self-assessment tax, and 400 for demand payment as regular assessment tax. And as per their corresponding major heads can only be rectified. Other challans like if you talk about the challans for STT, challans for equalization levy cannot be rectified as of now through this facility, right? So the functionality is limited as of now, but still you can, if your errors falls into these categories, you can still rectify your challan. Then you need to click on the continue tab. Then you need to click onto the assessment year. You have 2 options here, assessment year or SIN, right? So if you select assessment year 23-24, right, then one challan is appearing for which rectification request, correction request can be filed. You need to select this challan, right? And you need to click on the continue button, right? Now here are 3 options which are appearing, right? That I paid this challan for assessment year 23-24, right? And if it was wrongly paid for that assessment year, you have option to select the correct assessment year from here, from in this list. For example, if this challan pertains to AY 22-23, then here I made the correction. Next is the tax applicable. I made payment under section under code as major head as 0021. Now I need to rectify it. That, for example, it is let's say corporation tax, right? Let's say it is wealth tax, for example, right? Though it is not applicable as of now. Next is the self-assessment tax minor head I need to rectify. For example, it is 400 instead of 300. So I selected that, right? Now it is show DRN, right? You need to click on the button. So these are the details. Existing challan details, to be updated details, right? Then you need to click on the continue button. Here you need to verify it either through OTP, Aadhaar OTP, digital signature through NAT banking. So this is the complete process how you can submit your request for rectification of income tax challan already paid incorrectly, right? So here is one more facility which is available with the taxpayer. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, any question relating to any of the provision of Income Tax Act, you can post your query in the comment box. We will try to reply to your question as soon as possible. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.